Hello, I am Felipe.
I am Nina,
Today on episode 5 of Believe It or Not,
a new web series that explains if some health statements are fact or fiction.
we are going to explain the following statement. Is chocolate healthy for you?
To find out if it is fact or fiction, we use these resources.
WebMD, NIH.gov, and Trivic Chocolate. Hi. So let's start with what chocolate contains that is healthy for you. So these little black dots here, as you can see, are iron. The red dots are nutrients. The green dots are vitamins. The blue dots are antioxidants, and these antioxidants are very good for you because they contain vitamins A, C, and E. And lastly, we have sugar, which is not so good for you, but in small portions, it is kind of good. So, sugar, antioxidants, vitamins, iron, and nutrients all together can reduce the risk of a heart attack by 50%. So now let's talk about teeth and sugar. So chocolate is not good for your teeth because it contains lots of sugar and therefore can give you cavities. Now I'm going to talk about the skeletal system because teeth are part of your skeletal system. So teeth are vital for you to eat because without them you can't eat any solid materials like chicken and all these things, pizza, so you can only eat soup if you don't have teeth. So the skeletal system is very important because it gives your body its form and it gives protections to your organs like the heart and the lungs. It also makes you move. It is made up mostly of bones. It works with the muscular system. The skeletal system includes large bones, small bones, cartilage, and ligaments. Cartilage is a spongy connective tissue that cushions the ends of many bones. Ligaments hold your bones together. Blood cells are made inside your largest bones, so that's why the skeletal system is also vital, because without them you would lack blood cells and you wouldn't have enough oxygen to survive. This is the heart. Chocolate is very good for the heart. That is because it contains antioxidants. Antioxidants contain vitamins A, C, and E, and these vitamins can reduce the risk of a heart attack by 50%. So now I'm going to talk about the heart. The heart is the most important organ in the circulatory system and in your body. If you don't have your heart, you will die. This is because it pumps blood through your body. Blood is important because it carries oxygen, vitamins, and nutrients to each individual cell in your body. It also brings carbon dioxide to your lungs so that it can be disposed of when you exhale. Blood is mostly made up of plasma. Plasma is a yellowish liquid that is mostly made up of water, white blood cells. These white blood cells, they help fight infections, so they are very important for you. Platelets are another type of blood cells which help blood clot and stop bleeding from wounds. And we have the red blood cells, which are the most common cells in your body. And these cells deliver oxygen to all your body cells. Blood leaves the heart through veins called arteries. Arteries lead to smaller blood vessels called capillaries. Capillaries are so small that red blood cells, the smallest cell in your body, have to pass through capillaries in single file. These capillaries now lead to bigger veins, and the veins bring blood and oxygen back to the heart. And that's the cycle of oxygen going to your body and blood going to your body. So this is your digestive system. So now I'm going to talk about what chocolate contains that is bad for you. It contains lots of calories. These calories are bad for you because they make you fat. So when you eat chocolate, it goes through all of your digestive system. First, you eat chocolate in your mouth, where teeth and saliva crunch the chocolate and make it a bolus. Then this bolus goes down your esophagus and into the stomach. There, hydrochloric acid and other gastric juices mix into the bolus and make it a solid, liquidy material. Then the food passes through the duodenum and into the small intestine. There, small pieces of villi absorb all vitamins and nutrients from chocolate and take them to each individual cell in your body. The waste material, or the unhealthy things, go to your large intestine where all the water is sucked up, and then all this waste goes to your anus, and then you have to go to the bathroom.
One healthy thing chocolate contains is iron. Iron helps increase your brain power. Brain is an important part of your nervous system. Your nervous system is made up of two parts. The central nervous system is made up of the brain and spinal cord. The spinal cord is a bundle of nerves about as thick as a pencil that extends from the brain all the way to the hip. The central nervous system receives and interprets signals from the body. It sends signals through the spinal cord and determines appropriate responses. The brain sends signals to your voluntary muscles through nerves. It also controls the body's automatic functions, like breathing and blinking. The peripheral nervous system is made up of sensory organs such as ears and eyes. To conclude, we have discovered that this statement is both fact and fiction, or bad and good. This is because chocolate contains some healthy things and some unhealthy things.